Most homeowners really only go through window selections once in their life. They're either A, building a home, or B, replacing their windows in a home that already existed. And there's a lot that goes into a window that most homeowners don't expect right out of the gate. There's design, there's efficiency, there's product type. And we're here at Pella, we're here to educate the homeowner on choosing those selections and why they are so critical. Now, windows, I like to call them an ingredient brand. And the meaning behind that is that if the wrong window is selected for that entire house, it could be devastating. It's an area of air infiltration, water infiltration. It's an entire opening of glass in your home. And we're there to show you how our windows can be extremely energy efficient and give you that beauty of that view to the outside that you've created for yourself. Most people, when they think new windows, they're thinking of replacing some old metal type of window, some aluminum type of window that they might have seen back in an apartment building when they were younger, and thinking of a window that's hard to open, hard to operate. A lot of air is coming through, especially in the wintertime. Today, our windows here at Pella, we design them to be extremely energy efficient. There's a lot of testing, and when I say a lot, hundreds of thousands of hours go into testing our product. We actually have an entire innovation and testing lab back in Pella, Iowa, which is our headquarters, where we actually incubate our windows and bring our windows up to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit and then drop them down to below zero to show the efficiencies and how they won't actually break during the test of time through extreme heat, especially heat conditions that you're going to see in the Midwest here. We always get those huge heat spells in the summer and those frigid temperatures in the winter. A lot of homes today are constructed with a lot of openings because natural light is wildly popular, especially with open floor plan homes and new construction. It's very important and it's critical to have the right window product in there with the right type of glass in there, because essentially you have a hole in the side of your house that has zero insulation and zero framework in there. Our windows are filled with an option of having low E argon filled gas in there, as well as different other glass package options that can give you a very premium experience when it comes to any type of heat and cold distribution from the outdoor elements. I think something most homeowners might be able to recognize in their home of UV rays penetrating through their existing windows now is take a look at where your area rugs are at on your wood floors. Pull those back and you should see a color change within your wood. Now what that is over time UV rays penetrating through the glass and actually changing the color of your wood. An option that we have from Pella Windows and Doors is sun defense glass. Now a lot of that is used in some of our southern climates like Florida, for example, where the UV rays are extreme. And this will actually block a majority of the UV rays, so you're not going to have any faded furniture like couches, carpeting, so on and so forth, to really help with that as you age within your home. So on some of these units here, you can see you have an SDL pattern. SDL is a simulated divided light. Back in the day on older windows from the 40s and 50s, you used to see this type of pattern, and where on the exterior of the window you actually have the grill, and what that's going to do is that when light goes through that, it's going to cast that different type of pattern of light within your home. So hence the name simulated divided light. Simulated divided light is a style that is more found in a traditional type of home. A lot of homes that we see here in the Midwest. It's an option there, but we also have several different styles of this type of grill pattern, which really are endless. You can have no grills, you can have a traditional pattern like this is a 4-light pattern on the top sash. You can have it all the way through onto the bottom sash as well, where this pattern would continue. You can have a prairie style pattern, which is what you can see over on this window here, where there's actually 9 lights within that. Now this grill over on this side is called the grill between the glass. It's a very similar style where you're going to get the same look from a distance, but up close the grills are actually between the glass instead of on the exterior and on the interior of the glass. We have many different styles of windows, from double hungs to casements to awning types of windows, and one might say, I really didn't know that there was a series of styles of windows. And choosing one is all about personal preference and how you want to use and operate that type of window. For example, your kitchen window, directly above that kitchen sink. It's a window that gets a lot of use. You open it to clear a lot of the smells out from cooking in the kitchen, especially around the holidays. Depending on how you like to use that window, the functionality of that is going to kind of guide you into what type of unit you'd like to have. A casement window, which would have a crank. That type of window is easily operated without having to lift it up above a kitchen sink like that, where one might not be able to reach that, where it's just an ease of use to just crank. Double hungs are meant to be functionally utilized where you're up against the window, so a living room area where there's not a lot of furniture in the way, where you can actually get directly in front of that unit and open it. Depending on what you're looking for, we have obviously fixed windows, decorative style windows, where a lot of open style construction homes you're going to see some arch tops in the entryway above the entry door, above those transoms there. You're going to see open living room floor plans where the windows are going all the way up to the ceiling there. And a lot of those won't be operable, so those would be fixed windows, but you can still follow that same type of pattern that you might have put on the lower operable units, whether that be a prairie style grill pattern or a traditional style grill pattern here into those units as well to give consistency throughout the elevations. One of the biggest aspects of why we do what we do here at Pella Windows and Doors is that every unit that we produce here is completely custom. There isn't a facility anywhere in the state or in the country for that matter where there's just a bunch of standard sizes sitting around. For new construction, for replacement jobs, whatever that might be, we produce every unit custom to order. So it's going to fit exactly how it was measured. That customization plays a huge role into making sure it properly fits, making sure it's properly installed, making sure it performs well, and not only that, the last piece of it, but making sure it looks really well too. So if you've ever looked at a new construction house, one that's not complete yet, and you see the home wrap around there, you see the openings in the side, those openings are going to be filled with something. But windows and doors are a critical ingredient to actually completing a home project. And what you put in those openings is extremely important. At Pella Windows and Doors, we make sure that we match design and the proper aesthetic for everyone's tastes. We make sure that we match energy performance up to par with what a homeowner might be looking for. And we make sure that the quality and the warranties, we stand behind that. Airhart chooses us for those reasons. They choose to partner with a manufacturer who critically tests and engineers the products that we actually put into consumers' homes and stands behind them with a limited lifetime warranty.